Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, Chilling with Des. Join me in my kitchen. Today I am going to make a sponge cake. And I also want to wish every one of you a Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are enjoying the holidays and you guys are also making all the goodies for the holidays. But today, just spend some of your time with me in my kitchen and I'll show you guys how I'm putting together this recipe. So here I have some flour, some eggs. I have here my butter, sugar, a lemon, and I also have here some mayonnaise. Yes, mayonnaise. You will see what I will do with that. Here I have some almond essence, some vanilla essence. Here I have some nutmeg and baking powder. Also, I have some milk, carnation milk. I have a grater which I'm going to grate my lemon. So let me put this recipe together. I am using today my stand mixer, and into the mixer I'm adding my butter, which is 1 pound. In goes the butter, soft room temperature butter, and give this a mix. Mix until softened. As you can see, the butter is softened right now, and I'm just going to add my sugar. 1 pound of sugar. White granulated sugar. Mix together. Stop your mixer in between mixing and scrape down the side of the bowl. Continue mixing. I mix this batter until it's nice and light in color. Here I have 8 eggs. I scale these up, and 8 eggs is 1 pound. Your eggs have to be at room temperature. The weight depends on the size of the egg. So always weigh your eggs first to make sure that you have a pound. So now I'm going to crack these eggs into this bowl and I'm going to mix it separately and then add it to the mixture. Now that I have my eggs in this bowl, I'm going to whisk it until it becomes light and fluffy. Here I have a lemon and I'm just going to grate some zest into the egg. Also, I'll squeeze just a teaspoon of the juice. Now I'm squeezing lemon juice into the eggs. This will take away any wrong taste from the cake. Now that my butter sugar is done creaming, I'm going to add the eggs in. At this point, I'm going to add vanilla essence, almond essence, and this is where I'm adding some mayonnaise. Guys, mayonnaise would keep the cake soft, moist, and give it that extra flavor. Try this. Continue to mix. Into my 1 pound of flour, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder and some nutmeg. Teaspoon. Give it a mix. I did not add salt to this because I use salted butter. Guys, now I'm going to add my flour to the mixture, but I'm going to do it by steps. So I'm just going to add some flour and some milk. The last step will be the dry, which is the flour. So let's do this. Also, you want to have your mixer on low speed. You don't want to overmix. Now the cake batter is finished mixing. Look at that. So I have these nice Christmas tins. Yeah, as you can see, I bought them from dollar store. They're $2.50 for one. Guys, try these out. They bake really nice. So now I'm just gonna spray their wash, but I forgot to take off the sticker. So in here, I'm just gonna spray it lightly and add my parchment paper. Give it another spray and it's ready for filling. I'm gonna do the rest. Don't go too heavy on the spray because you don't want your cake to be dark. So, sorry, very lightly. I'm just going to fill these up. I'm only going to go halfway. You don't want to go all the way to the top because you don't want the cake overflowing. What I like to do is to just smooth it out. I'm finished filling up my tin, but guys, as you can see, I add another one because I fill them up too much, and I decide to just put some into another tin. So I smooth them out already. As you can see, I like to hit them down to get out all of the air bubble inside, and it also helped the cake to bake level. So I'm just going to put these into the oven, and I'll show you guys when I'm done baking them. Guys, look at the cakes. They're done baking. I baked them at 350 for 45 minutes. They look great. They smell really nice. I have this. I'm going to use the juice of these cherries because the cake is warm. Just drizzle the juice all the way around. Sorry about that. Like that. I'm going to let these cool down, and I'll come back to show you guys when I'm cutting up a few slices for you to see. Guys, look at this. Look how beautiful that cake looks. Now I want to cut a piece to show you guys what it looks like in the inside. Look at that. It's very soft, and look at that. Spongy. Guys, I hope you had fun making this cake with me today, spending this little time in my kitchen. And I want to take this time to give every one of you that is watching this video big shout out. Have a Merry Christmas. And thank you guys for all your love and support that you have shown me. And for the viewers that view my video and haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so when I upload the next video, you will be notified. And for all my subscribers, thank you so much. Enjoy your Christmas holiday, and please come back to see what I'll cook or bake next. Until next time, bye bye.